We're here with the Ultimate 70cc. This is a Generation 2. We have done some upgrades, some new features that I would like to share with you. We are going to do the stab installation. So the first thing we're going to do is grab the carbon fiber tubes. There are two tubes. One, the front one, which is the thin one. The rear one is a thicker one. This airplane has multiple tubes, carbon fiber tubes. There is only one kind for the stab, the only one with that length and diameter. The front one, there is another one similar to this that goes in the lower wing, but this one is the short one. So the short pin, the short carbon fiber tube, it goes in the front. So the next thing we need to do is put the speed lock back, unlock position. Then I'm going to grab the stab, and this is the SD version. This is how it comes out of the box. The servos installed, the push rod, everything done. By the way, we've been doing this for almost 10 years now. First plane we had was the Mamba 70. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to slide this in. We're going to connect this. You know, it's not a bad idea to put a clip here if you want to do that. And then we're going to slide it in. Make sure the front pin goes in. And now push in this all the way, right there. And then we're going to go under, and we're going to move this to the lock position. With that, we complete one side. We'll repeat the other side, and that should complete the stab installation. Continuing with the Ultimate 70cc G2, we are going to now install the wings. On this airplane, we have two wing tubes, right, for lower wing and top wing. The tubes are exactly the same diameter, same size, so you don't need to worry about that part. Then the lower wing, use this thin pin. We talked before about here, we have it in the stab. They look similar, but the long one is the one that it goes over here. Slide the wing in the tube, carbon fiber tube, main tube. And I want you to notice here's the tab where the pin for the speed lock goes in that hole. That's kind of the principle of the design. We replace the bolt by the pin. Here is the front carbon fiber tube. Place it in location in front hole there. And now, if you have an MPX connector, will be now a good time to connect. And also, importantly, is your speed lock. It needs to be in the unlock position. So now we're going to slide this wing. That's in position. And now we're going to lock this up. We're going to install the top right panel. It's important to remark here that we can do the two left or the two rights, it's your choice, but it's important to do the two panels on the same side. The reason is the bottom wing, it's supported by the wing tube really well and the fuselage. And then this tube that we're going to slide here for the top wing, if by itself you put weight here, you put a lot of pressure on the rib. So We're gonna do these steps. You gotta follow these steps, and I'm gonna show you. So we do it in the right way. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the interplane strut. Let me get it here. Both interplane struts are the same, and it says top. So you just put top. It goes here. That's in position. I'm gonna center this more or less where it goes. And grab the top wing. The important part here is this is in the unlock position, which is back or to the trailing edge. Slide the wing here. Until it gets in position right there. The next thing, we're gonna put the pin in the top pin like that. And finally, I'm going to push this tube in position. Now we installed the left lower wing. I have lined up the tubes, so speed lock is in unlock position, and servo, we have MPX, is going to be connected. If not, just go through the hole with the servo lead, and we're going to put the wing in position. And the next thing, we are going to lock this up. We're going to slide the top left panel, and if you look here, here's the tab, fiberglass tab with a hole. In principle, it's the same design of speed lock. It's under here, we'll show you in a second. But this will slide here, and then there is a pin going through like that way. We have these tubes in the front and in the rear. These tubes are the only one in this size, and they are identical. So we're going to slide the wing, make sure that your speed lock is in the unlock position, so we can slide the wing all the way in. Position there, and the next thing, we are going to move the speed lock to the lock position. With that, the next thing and the last we're going to do is grab the interplane strut. We look for top like before. One pin. And the other pin. Then you are going to proceed and connect your servos, servo leads here in the back. Alright, the last thing is put the canopy in place. 2 pins in the front, like this. Then we're going to pull this back here, put the canopy in place, forward, lock position, and with that we complete the ultimate 70cc G2. Thanks for watching.